Can you really start an online business without any investment at all? Hi, my name is Riza and I'm your online coach. I'm here to help you understand if you can really start an online business without investing any money at all. If you want to start a dropshipping business like Shopify, it's not true that you can start without money because Shopify alone offers membership subscription, which is around $27 to $29. And as soon as there's order in your online store, you are the ones who pay out the money. You're gonna pay for all the orders. And if you don't have money, if you don't have credit card, if you don't have money in your debit card, those orders will just be wasted. You won't be able to fulfill the order. And once the order is sent and the money is also sent from the customer to the Shopify store, that's when you'll get to earn money from all those. And what other businesses that you can start? If you are a video editor and you are using InVideo AI, you have to pay £24.99 on a monthly basis. You can start immediately with the low cost, but it's not true that you can start an online business without investing anything at all. If you want to learn how you can start a business with a low cost, an online business with a low cost, click the link in my bio and I can teach you everything from scratch and you can start your online business today. Bye!